Alright guys, we got the PULIDIKI right here. This is a cleaning gel. I got a dirty keyboard with some nasty like little food and dust in it. We're gonna clean it out with this right here. The PULIDIKI. Simple instructions. The universal dust cleaning gel. Here we go. Oh, almost transparent. It's a little bit wet, but not too wet. This thing will remove the dirt from my keyboard. We have some dirt on the keyboard. Now, there we go. See, it picks up the dirt from the keyboard and just removes it. Look, how easy is that? We can take the dirt out right here. See, boom, it's gone. Dab, 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 dab. Get the dirt out. See, dirt comes out. See that dirt? Pull out the dirt. Very simple gel. It allows you to clean virtually anything. It works really well in the car, your keyboard, all your stuff that is hard to clean out. This gel basically sticks and pulls the dirt out for you. Cleaning gel, reusable, eco-friendly gel. Once you're done using it, you can put it back in the little jar. There it is. Reusable. Boom. Recollapsible, you tear it apart, you put it back, go through here and clean up the keyboard. Look, keyboard starts to clean again. Very easy to clean with this gel right here. It's a universal dust cleaner. You just put it over your stuff right there and that's how you clean it. Very easy to use. This cleaning gel cleans your keyboard, cleans all the stuff around your car, cleans anything where there's dust. Very quick dust cleaner right here. Once you use it, you're done. You can put it back here and save it for next time. The PULIDIKI gel right there. Universal dust cleaner. Ah, yeah.